Upgrading the radio in a vehicle used to be pretty straightforward. Remove a panel, apply a metal or plastic installation bracket, button it up, and you're done. Modern vehicles present physical challenges to installing aftermarket car radios. However, we're going to show you how our radio chassis design and logical connection placement can make these challenges easier to overcome. First, let's take a look at one of our double DIN size screen radios, the XAV AX6000. The radio chassis has a shallow depth single DIN box on top that houses all of the electronics, including the onboard speaker output amplifier, high-tech chips to make the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto function seamlessly. On the back of that box is where your connections are made. The power harness, RCA preamp outputs, antenna connection, Sirius XM satellite radio, and even iDownlink Maestro module are connected in this area. It's important to note that the blue input is not for the Bluetooth microphone connection, a common installation error for technicians less familiar with our products. This compact chassis design gives you the flexibility during installation to tuck additional integration modules, harnesses, or connecting plugs underneath the box or behind the radio due to its shallow depth. Our engineers accomplished a pretty amazing feat getting the Sony Mobile ES XAV9000 ES with its advanced ESS 9080Q 32-bit digital to analog converter on board and its dual layer board technology placed elegantly inside the same compact chassis. Even the XAV9500 ES with its 10.1 HD floating screen keeps its chassis simple with a full-depth single DIN design. This gives us the room we need to get all of the high-tech electronics inside and also gives the structure needed for supporting the large tablet-sized screen securely in the dashboard. The XAV9500 ES also has the same dual-layer board design as the XAV9000 ES compact chassis, resulting in the highest sound quality possible. The screen offers 4 adjustments that can be made during installation: depth into and out of the dash in relation to the chassis, height vertical adjustment in relation to the chassis, tilt angle, a tilt adjustment to accommodate the angle of the dashboard or console of the vehicle, horizontal, a left or right adjustment that can move it away from switches or vents in the dashboard for easy access. The XAV8500 takes it one step further. It offers those same 4 installation adjustments and then adds the ability to swivel the screen left or right or tilt it up or down after installation, even while using it. These post-installation adjustments require no tools, disassembly, or anything else. Just simply grab the screen and move it to the desired position to minimize screen glare or increase visibility for the driver or passengers. Thanks for checking out this short video on our Sony AVR car radios. Check out our other videos to explore other Sony car audio product features or to help set up the products correctly for your customer.